lovely people, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are having chicken biryani. So I had already boiled my chicken in my steam pot here because I'm cooking local chicken. It's called Kenyeji chicken in Kenya. Then now I'm preparing the chicken mix, the pilau spices. So this is one of the easiest biryani recipes, chicken biryani recipes that you can have. Please follow through and see how it comes out, especially for the holiday seasons. I'm using the old-fashioned traditional way of preparing the pilau recipes, but this is the way I like it. You can use whatever you like, however you like it. So this is my way of preparing my chicken pilau biryani. Chicken biryani, not chicken pilau, chicken biryani. As you can see, I've broken them like this. And here we have our minced garlic ginger. This is minced garlic ginger. Then we are going to keep them aside, and then we are going to cut our onions. Let's cut our onions. As we are cutting our onions, I'm going to fry a bit the chicken just to make them brown. So we are going to add our oil. As I told you before, I am cooking a local chicken. So we are going to keep them in the oil one by one. As you can see, just to make them golden brown. Local chicken is usually very healthy and nutritious than the normal chicken that you buy in the supermarket. So that's it, just to get that golden brown color. So guys, this is the color I was looking for on my chicken. Just for them to get a little bit golden brown. And is golden brown. Ingredients, we have our tomatoes. This is a mixed pilau mix, pilau spices. We have our minced garlic ginger. We have our onions. So now I'm going to grate the papaya on our biryani. I'm going to use papaya, raw papaya. I'm supposed to use raw papaya, but whoever I sent got me this papaya. It's not too ready, but I have no choice. I have to use that. So let's go on. I'm going to remove the chicken and place them in this. Few oil again, onions, so guys, our onions are ready. I'm going to add the minced garlic ginger, then our spices, then our tomatoes. So I've already added my garlic, ginger, and pilau spices. I'm going to add my tomatoes. tomato paste. As you can see. We are going to cover and let them get ready. So guys, our rice water has boiled, so let me put the rice. So I'm going to add my papaya. It's supposed to be raw papaya, but whoever I sent brought me ripe papaya. I add my natural yogurt. For some few minutes, then we are going to add our chicken. So our rice is also getting ready. As you can see, our rice is getting ready. A few pilau masala also. So our rice is ready, guys. As you can see, this is the way I like my rice to be. Color, I think it's the right time to add the food color. So we have our chicken biryani here.